Which number is smaller, the square root of 100 or the cubed root of 1,000? And explain. The square root of 100 is 10 because 10 times 10 equals 100. The cubed root of 1,000 requires three numbers multiplied together to make 1,000. 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000, so the cubed root is 1,000. These are equal. Both have a value of 10. Which number is larger, the square root of 87 or 929 divided by 99? There are a few ways we can approximate this value for the fraction. I prefer long division, and if it doesn't tell you not to, you can go ahead and use it. 99 doesn't fit into 92, but it does fit into 929, and it fits 9 times. 99, 9 times is 891, which leaves you with 38. Then if you bring down a 0, 99 fits into 380 3 times, because 99 is close to 100, and 100 times 3 would be 300. It is 297. When you subtract and you borrow, this one turns out to be an 8, and you're left with 83. Then bring down a 0. 99 fits into 830, I'm guessing 8 times, because that would be close to 800. Borrow. And that gives you 38. Bring down your 0. 99 fits into 383 times. And notice we've started a repeating pattern. Oops. So now we just have to check if 9.38 squared is smaller or greater than or equal to 87. So we're going to multiply that out. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 6 makes 30. 8 times 9 is 72. Plus 3 more makes 75. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2 more makes 11. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 1 more makes 28. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 2 more is 29. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 2 is 83. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals in my question. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals in my answer. 9.83 is more than 87, which means the square root of 87 has to be smaller than 9.38. And since 929 over 99 is bigger than 9.38, the square root of 87 must be smaller. So this one is larger, and then our work down here is our explanation. And I'm going to erase. So if you have to get this copy down, make sure you pause it. Okay, 9 divided by 13. 9 can't fit a 13. So how about 90? 13 fits in there 6 times. That would give us an 8. And I believe it's 78. Yes. So when we subtract, we're left with 12. 13 is going to fit into 120 less than 10 times. I'm thinking maybe 9. That leaves us with 3. 13 fits into 32 times. And into 40 3 times. Oops. If we were to continue this repeating decimal, it'd be 692,692. But this one is 6,923. 6,923 is smaller than 6,926. So 9 over 13 is less than 0.692 repeating. And our division is our explanation for why that is the case.